All right, guys, I am taking your volume profiles by request. I know so far you are giving me Visa. I like this one to the upside. It's not my favorite chart, so let's get some others going on here. While you guys are looking at that, I am taking a look at our beautiful bombshell bull. Actually, this was a no bombshell that we had on Trade the Close on Friday. No bombshell, no problemo. There was some excellent volume profile setups with the VWAP that we traded. And I told my traders, once we break this area, it's going to be magic within your eyes. This thing shot up on Friday. Our traders were in it to the upside. It was an epic trade, the close. So now let's look at some stocks that you guys are looking at. We have TSN. Okay, TSN looking bearish to me. KHC. All right, KHC. I actually like this one to the upside. You have a power earnings gap. Looks like we're consolidating a little bit for some more upside. 42 is your upside there. What else you guys got? Keys. Two braids looking at Keys. Ooh, I like Keys. I know we have earnings coming up, but I trade this one for a little pop. I like this. Keysight Technologies. Your upside target here is 152. Nice little crossover in your MACD as well. And nice thin zone to go through. We're going to bring on Garrett and Mark. Garrett, do you see anything exciting in KEYS to the upside? You're muted. It's all good. Killed it. Literally.
Yeah, KEYS does seem to have a little bit of a possible move higher here. You're coming off a lows technical line down around 140, 135. So you're starting to see a little bit of an influx in the MFI. There was a crossover on the MACD on the 8th. So looks positive. I think you could probably get a little bit higher. I don't really have a target on that, though.
Okay. My target, the 50-day, 152. Mark, you look very invested in some options right now. Do you see a nice trade to the upside in Keys?
I'm looking. So the stock has earnings tomorrow, which is why I don't want to trade any options into this. But I don't disagree with what a lot of what you had to say, but I just, the closest option is still, the straddle on this thing is trading 145. They're looking for an $8.40 move. So this is no small potatoes on options that expire in a couple of days. There's a ton of premium here. So me, it says maybe wait until earnings and then make a decision on it. That would be my bet. Visa, that one I was a little more interested in. No earnings, which I also like. You're right. It's at the top of the range. Nice little move. You could talk me into the 230, into some June calls. The June 2nd calls, 232.5 calls just listed today. They're going to be about $3.50. I think you can make some money there. This thing touches the top at about 236. So you buy them for about $3.50. You just flip them out at $4.55. Take a quick profit.
All right. So looking bullish on Visa. That's ticker symbol V. And also in Keys, but that one's a little more risky because you have earnings tomorrow, which, is obviously
always
a binary thing. Yes.
Always,
All right, guys.
Always a problem.
Well, thank you for giving us the keys to profitability. We're going to